So it is possible to make frontals glueless, not just closures. Okay, so you're gonna take your frontal. I'm gonna show y'all what a frontal looks like, just in case you don't know what that is. And so this is what the back looks like, okay? You get your measuring tape, you use this side, the inches side, okay? So let me show you how long this frontal is. Some of them come 13, 14, 15. So right here, I measured it last night. It says about 15. So realistically, nobody head goes up to a 15. So let me show you. When somebody do their frontal to frontal measurements, you put it right here at the temple, and you bring it over, and you bring it to this temple right here. But yeah, my ear to ear is a 14, so let's use my measurements, okay? 14 is right here. Take a clip and clip it right there. Take a clip, clip it right there, okay? Since my measurement is at a 14, go to the 14 and you're gonna count. So you're gonna count from the silver piece. So the silver is a marking. So 1, 2. It's a little tiny one. So 1, 2, the little one, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you count that because the silver pieces are marking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here, the little line before the biggest full mark, you're gonna cut at that piece. So let me show y'all what I counted, which is from the 14. Which is, so this is 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? You're gonna take the scissors and you're gonna turn it facing you. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut that leg. Move it out the way. And you're gonna cut a curve as if it was like the curve of your ear. There you go. Okay, so a curve. Cool.